Here's an app, it's called Feelsy Calm Sleep Slime Game. So then you can just tap get and then double click to install. And then, yeah, this is like an app. If you're looking for a way to soothe your brain, you've just found the perfect option. Reward your senses and enjoy 3D, 4D textures that will reduce stress, anxiety, and help you sleep better. Feelsy features a variety of soothing sounds and visual triggers that will have you experience relaxation and pleasant tingling as you listen and watch. It will help you relax after a tiring day, fall asleep faster, or just beat boredom by playing with beautiful and soothing textures and patterns. Choose a texture or effect you like, put on your headphones for a relaxing effect. Start touching the screen. You can touch, slap, stretch, and slide. Here's how just the onboarding looks like. You can experience different kinds of music. Then you just need to answer all types of questions to better configure app for yourself. And then, after you do all of this, then the app will just push you to upgrade. But there is still some very limited freemium version that you can use for free to try it out. However, there are a lot of ads. There you have it. So And then, you can just customize all the settings here. And then you can see, but then unfortunately, you just need to upgrade. And then basically that's the idea of this app, where you can just move around and like do stuff like this. And then you can also tap to discover
Guys,
other
I finally
features.
found a game.
But unfortunately, as you can see, there are so many ads in the free version. So yeah, probably if you want to use this app a lot, probably you just need to upgrade to the paid version.